Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sennheiser Momentum TWS 4 and I'm going to show you how to download its app for your iOS device. At first you have to open App Store and then you have to go into search at the bottom. In the search tab you have to search for Sennheiser Smart Control. Now you have to click on Sennheiser Smart Control from Sonova, a developer, and then you have to click on this cloud with arrow icon. Now we have to wait for our app to be downloaded. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.